Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am going to take class 6 Science chapter 2 Components of Food. Okay, before that I started this chapter, I told you I have given you introduction of components of food. Earlier we have read about the different nutrients, its importance and what are the sources. Means we have read about the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these are the important nutrients that are present in our food. If we are taking that in right amount in diet, that is known as balanced diet. Clear children? This is clear to you? Now Beside these nutrients, we also require other components of food that are water and roughage. Roughage को हम एक और चीज कहते हैं, that is dietary what fibers. Okay, mainly fruits contains the dietary fibers. So that must be present in your food. These two are supporting how we can consume these nutrients in our body. Okay, so let us see what is the role of water and roughage in our body. Okay, water. What is the role of water? Water का क्या रोल है? Water. What is the role of water in our food, in our diet? Number one is it helps in digesting, in absorbing what? These nutrients. In absorbing nutrients from what? Food. Right children? First important function of water is it helps in absorbing nutrients from food. This is the most important role of water in our food. Then second is it helps in removing waste. Okay children, waste from our body. आप सबको पसीना आता है? You all are going washroom timely. Reason is हमारी बॉडी में जब हम ये सारी चीजें डाइजेस्ट करते हैं, जब ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, तो सम वेस्ट इज कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम दैट. और वो वेस्ट जो है हमारा बॉडी कभी भी अपने पास नहीं रखता. इट इज जस्ट बॉडी इज रिमूविंग इट, एंड इन दैट वाटर इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो नाउ इन विच फॉर्म? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वेट, that is pasina, and urine. In the form of sweat and urine, we are removing out our waste products. Okay, in that water plays an important role. So children, 2 points you have read. Third point is water. Water is necessary for our body. Now this water we are getting from where? We are getting from water. All the liquids that we drink, we get water from, means water component of food from that drinks. That may be tea, that may be coffee, that may be milk, that may be juice, etc. That may be juices, etc. So children, about water we have read. Now is of roughage. Roughage, we also call it dietary fibers. We also call it dietary fibers that must be present in our food. If our body has to absorb all these nutrients, we require water and what? Roughage. Okay, now what is the role of roughage that we'll read? But from where we are getting this roughage? We are getting this roughage from plants, right? We are getting these roughage from plants. So what is the major source? This is whole grains, pulses, fresh fruits, vegetables, etc. That is why we are having salad in our diet. Why? Because it is having what? Roughage, that fibers. हम मैंगो खाते हैं, आजकल मैंगो का टाइम है. When we are eating mango, it is having plenty of fibers in it. It has having plenty of fibers. आपके दांतों में फंस जाता है जब आप खाते हो. That are the fibers, that are रेशे हम हिंदी में उसको कहते हैं. तो these are very very important. Okay, so that is why we included that in our diet, as it is not giving any nutrient, but then also it is required. It is one of the important component of food, right? Next is to get rid of undigested food. Means whatever we eat, all the food is not digested. Some are digested and some food is remain undigested. So for that what we need? We need roughage to get rid of, उनसे छुटकारा पाने के लिए we need what? Roughage. To get rid of undigested food, we require roughage in our food. So children, I think all the components are clear to you. Carbohydrate को हम क्या कहते हैं? That is energy giving. Okay, proteins are body building, body building food. Fats को हम क्या कहते हैं? That is also energy giving. In case we are ill, then these fats are very important. It keeps our body warm. Okay, then after vitamins and minerals, these are protective food. They fight from diseases. Then about water you read, and just now about roughage I told you. These two are also very very important component of our food. Okay. So children, here we have read about the components of food. In the next video, I'll upload what are the different tests. How will come to know कि हाँ इस food में carbohydrate है, हाँ इस food में proteins present है, इस food में fats present है. That we will do in the next video. That how we will test carbohydrate, proteins and fats in our food. Okay, so be with me in the next video. So children, have a nice day. Subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel. I hope you will do it. Thank you.